Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Canggu area during the pandemic corona on October 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Canggu area, and now we are in Pantai Batu Mejan Street. Around this area there is a lot of rice field, right side and left side. So you can see from here, it's very green, isn't it? It's like green area. And in this area there is a lot villa, but not so much souvenir shop. So that's why even before the pandemic corona, in this area there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. Only they go to the rice field. You see right side? It's so beautiful, isn't it? There is rice field right there, and there is a villa beside the rice field. Okay guys, actually today I will explore Batu Mejan Beach and Eco Beach, also the Canggu area uptown. You see, there is a lot motorbike drive around in this area, and also I see some tourists driving by motorbike. Actually, in this area there is also a lot local people. You see left side at the front? Yeah, there is village temple. And today they have ceremony, so that's why there is a lot of people go to the village temple and use uniform like white color because it's meant holy. Okay guys, now we continue driving on Pantai Batu Mejan Street. See right side, there's a restaurant. Some car and motorbike parking there. It means like some people there. That's good. And if you see the weather today, it's not so clear actually. Some area is cloudy, but some area also blue sky. And I want to say thank you very much because you already support my channel by subscribe and watching my video. And if you just find this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area. Because as we know together, Canggu is like we call Kampung Bule. It's a lot of tourists stay in this area even during the pandemic corona. So later on, I will show you how look like the situation at the moment in Batu Mejan Beach and Eco Beach. And also I will explore some area in Canggu. I mean like where is the tourist be right there. Usually always busy. Okay guys, if you see right side and left side, there is a lot of building, and at the front they just like local shop and local people who live in this area. But behind there is a lot of villa. Oh, there is a tourist driving by motorbike. That is really good. And if you see together on the video, there is not so many people drive around on this area. I mean tourists, because I think they are go to the beach. Because you see at the front the weather is more clear. It means like on the beach it's very sunny. It's very beautiful, this area, isn't it? It's very nice. Very green, left side and right side. That's so beautiful. And start from here, there is a lot of villa in this area. In this area, there is not so many local people stay, only some villa. You see right side? There's the villa and some car parking there. If I turn right, that is the way to go to Eco Beach. But we will see how look like the situation at the moment in Batu Mejan Beach. And on this video, I make video without skip around 8 minutes on Batu Mejan Street. Because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area. So from the main street until to the beach. You see, there is some tourists bring the surfboard. Because in this area also you can doing surfing if you like. Left side, right side, there is some villa. Oh, lot more bike parking right side at villa. Oh, there is some car parking right side at the villa. That's really good. Oh, also the tourist left side, they walk around on the sidewalk. I'm really happy to see that. Okay guys, now we reach Batu Mejan Beach. You see on the street? Look quiet, isn't it? Okay, now we try to find parking, and then we will see how we like the beach in this area. You see, it's very beautiful weather, very blue sky and blue ocean. Yeah, it is Batu Mejan Beach. It's beautiful, isn't it? You see the bar? Look quiet. Some people there, but quiet. It's very sad because this area is very beautiful actually. Okay guys, from Batu Mejan Beach, we try to explore Eco Beach. Yeah, now we turn right. This is the way to go to Eco Beach. You see restaurant? There is a lot of tourists there. That's good. And now we are in Mundu Jatuh Street. So this is the station at the moment in Mundu Jatuh Street. I hope you are haven't been this street before, because this street also very famous. There is a lot of restaurant, villa and some hotel around here. Also some nice shop. You see the tourist outside? On the sidewalk? VW Combi car. That's a beautiful car. This area, right side and left side, there is the hotel and some villa. And this is the way to go to Eco Beach. see, right side and left side, there is big project. I think there's gonna be built up the hotel around here, the big hotel. You see, right side and left side, it will be really big project. Okay, you see at the front, that is the Eco Beach. And now we reach Eco Beach. Some tourists around here in this cafe. It's very beautiful weather, isn't it? Oh, there are some people doing surfing on the beach. Local people and some tourists there. You see the cafe from here? Looks so busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people there. And there is some people bring the surfboard. They just been surfing. Oh, there is a beautiful girl just been surfing. It's very big wave, isn't it? Look, water too strong. Yeah, she does good fun. She love it. I hope one day you come to this cafe because it's very beautiful. The cafe just exactly beside the beach. Okay guys, now we continue driving. We will explore how look like the Canggu area, the Kampung Bule in Bali. Do you know what is mean Kampung Bule? Kampung is mean village and Bule is mean foreign tourists. So that's why this area we call Kampung Bule because there is a lot of tourists even the pandemic corona. A lot of tourists stay in long term in this area. So you can see there is a lot of tourists driving by motorbike around here. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Canggu area during the pandemic corona on October 2021. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.